Kanandi, all of you, good afternoon, everybody. So today's topic is test of hypothesis concerning one proportion. Test of hypothesis concerning one proportion. Okay, Nandi. Go to procedure is first point is null hypothesis. Null hypothesis H naught maps P equal to P naught. Here this is a proportion, nothing but is a P naught, right? And go to second point is alternative hypothesis H1 maps P naught equal to P naught. This is nothing but is a two-tail test, right? And next one is H1 map P less than P naught. This is nothing but one-tail test, right? Left-tail test is clearly, right? And next one is H1 maps P greater than P naught. This is nothing but is a one-tail test, is clearly right-tail test, right? The second point. And go to third point is level of significance alpha value, right? And fourth point is test statistics. Formula here is Z equal to x minus n p naught by square root of n p naught q naught, where here is q naught equal to 1 minus p naught. This is the fourth point. Fifth point is conclusions. Fifth point is conclusion. Okay, Nandi? See the one problem, Nandi. Test of hypothesis concerning one proportion. First problem. Okay, Nandi? Problem is, see the problem. To check on an ambulance service, claim that at least 40% of its call are life-threatening emergency. A random sample was taken from its files and it was found that only 49 out of 150 calls were life-threatening emergency. Can the null hypothesis P greater than or equal to 0.4 against the alternative hypothesis P less than 0.4 at 0.01 level of significance? Okay, Nandi? See the one second problem, Nandi. To check on an ambulance service, claim that at least 40% of its calls are life-threatening emergency. A random sample was taken from its files and it was found that only 49 out of 150 calls were life-threatening emergency. Can the null hypothesis P greater than or equal to 0.4 against the alternate hypothesis P less than 0.4 at 0.01 LOS? Okay, Nandi? See the answer, Nandi. First one here is given n equal to, what about out of 150 calls, right? Out of only 14 out of 150 calls, n equal to 150, x equal to 49 and p percentage, problem percentage given 40%, p equal to 0.4, q equal to 1 minus p naught, q equal to 1 minus 0.4 nothing but is a 0.6, alpha equal to 0.01 level of significance, right? And go to procedure. First point is null hypothesis. First point is null hypothesis H naught maps. Problem data is given. Null hypothesis P greater than or equal to 0.40, right? Null hypothesis H naught map P greater than or equal to 0.40. And second point is alternate hypothesis, the opposite, P less than 0.40. This problem also data is given, right? H1 maps P less than 0.4. And third one is LOS, alpha equal to 0.01, right? This is the one-tail test, not alpha by 2, right? Z sub is alpha, Z sub is 0.01 equal to, by using T distribution table, 2.326 this value. By using T distribution tables, right? 2.326. And go to fourth point is test statistics. Formula Z equal to x minus n p naught by square root of n p naught q naught. Okay, Nandi? x value, substitute here x value 49 minus n value 150, right? P value, P naught value 0.4 by square root of n value 150, P naught 0.4, Q naught 0.6. Okay, Randy, to calculate this value, right? This value is minus 1.83. Minus 1.83. This value is minus 1.83. Right? And go to last point is conclusions. Last point is conclusions. Right? Mod Z. Here is Z value minus 1.83. Z is alpha value 2.326. Right? Mod Z less than Z suffix alpha. Right, conclusion is mod Z less than Z suffix alpha. Therefore, null hypothesis will be accepted. So this problem is a test of hypothesis concerning one proportion. Test of hypothesis concerning one proportion. This topic andi. Okay, Nandi.